Now, TVJ News was quick on the scene moments after the crash. Shamila Pullen reports on the details.
It was a gruesome scene sometime after 9 on the Golden Spring Main Road in St. Andrew on Sunday night. Screaming relatives, shocked bystanders, and police seemingly overwhelmed by the crowd which assembled at the crash site. According to reports from the Stony Hill Police, the men were traveling on 3 motorcycles towards Temple Hall. The drivers reportedly lost control and collided with a Toyota Hiace bus traveling in the opposite direction, causing it to overturn.
At the end, 5 motorcyclists died. The driver of the Hiace motor truck sustained injuries. So the investigators are now conducting an investigation to find out exactly what caused the accident and how it happened. They have been given some accounts, so they are working with that, but it's very unfortunate that all 5 young men died. They are all they are related, and they are all from the same community, a community called Border up in St. Andrew.
The deceased, who are all from St. Andrew addresses, have been identified as 20-year-old Tajay Murray, 18-year-old Anthony Fuller, 20-year-old Raheem Campbell, 24-year-old Jamie Marriott, and 17-year-old Romario Moody. None of the men were wearing a helmet. SSP Lindsay says the police are concerned because Sunday was a bloody day on the streets. There were 10 fatalities from 4 crashes.
In one instance, we had 5. There was another incident in St. Mary where 3 persons died, and then there were 2 other incidents where we had fatalities yesterday. So I think in a general way, we are concerned about the number of fatal accidents that we are seeing since the start of the year. I mean, when I looked at some of the images from the crash site over in St. Mary, you could see indication that speeding was a factor in that accident.
Meanwhile, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Gary McKenzie, said the police continuously issue safety tips and appeal to road users to drive within the speed limit, exercise due care for other road users, and especially for motorcyclists and their pillions to be equipped and to utilize protective gear. It is quite unfortunate that 5 young men died in this manner. And so, another appeal.
And we want to urge motorists to take the necessary precaution. So we continue to urge persons to obey the speed limit on the road and to ensure that persons who are driving these vehicles are trained and qualified to navigate the road as they traverse.
Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.